In this video, we're going to decide if the statement involving units makes sense. Let's decide whether the following statement makes sense or does not make sense and explain your reasoning. I drove at a speed of 35 miles for the entire trip. That does not make sense because miles is not a unit of speed. Let's decide whether the following statement makes sense or is clearly true or does not make sense or is clearly false and explain your reasoning. To figure out how long an airplane will take to reach Beijing, divide the distance to Beijing by the airplane's speed. That statement makes sense because time is equal to distance divided by speed. Decide whether the statement makes sense or is clearly true or does not make sense or is clearly false and explain your reasoning. Fabric was bought at Xmart because their price of $6 per square foot is better than Wimart's price of $20 per square yard. So there's 9 square feet in a square yard. So if I divide 20 by 9, I get 2, 2, 2, and so on, right? So that does not make sense because the price of $6 per square foot is greater than $2.22 per square foot. Price of $20 per square yard is equivalent to $2.22 per square foot. Right. So you're going to have to make the same unit sometimes to do these comparisons. And try and go from bigger unit to smaller unit most of the time if you can. That'll usually be helpful. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we'll talk about additional topics in Unit 2A. See you for the next video.